prison break. Chai! When I like the name, the thing just dey remind me of Prison Break. How many of you now watch that series? That thing when I watch for that series, it don't happen for Nigeria. We get actors for this our country, no be small thing. And this one happened during the inspection of the center. When he come outside, when they talk about the home matter, his name na Aregbesola. He come outside, come tell us say escape. To escape is unlawful. Say it dey against the law. And if you are part of those people who run away, listen, into say if those people who run away, if they return back willingly, he say he go forgive them. He say he go forgive them. I beg. For now, I don't know how many people we even they talk about. I know they talk about 5 prisoners we run away. 1,880,000. 1,880 people now run away. And they don't say everywhere been they come before you know them. Now so they just gunmen enter, start the attack. If you not see fire. I mean, for now, we never see Imo prison before. How the place look like, and I don't know how it be now after the attack. I beg, join me, make we watch the video.
You are here to get information from us about what has just happened. I just want to put it across to you that there was an attack at the World Pastoral Center very early this morning around 2:15 a.m. So you can see the extent of the damage so far. You can see our burnt vehicles and technically affected the building. However, I want to assure you people that at the appropriate time, when we get our facts together, we'll be able to address you on this issue. So please always keep in touch. We'll brief you at the appropriate time. No, we are yet to confirm exactly what happened. But like I said, at the appropriate time, we must have gotten all the information ready. We will address you on all.
But you should be able to identify that person. Is it an official or an inmate? As
I've just said it, I will have addressed that issue at the appropriate time. Let us.
Okay,
the whole thing is still sketchy.
So are the inmates intact, or are there some that are missing?
I said I will address people at the appropriate time on all these issues.
Arise, O compatriots. See, I know just the laugh. We don't know why they laugh. I know they laugh for any in case person die or person injure. I know they laugh for that one. Why they laugh now? The statement with federal government that don't bring. Say if you return yourself willingly, they go forgive you. I don't understand. What is the need of coming back? No, I just they ask. What be the need of coming back? Since when I won't grant them amnesty. No, nah. You will forgive them. So there's no need for them to come back because you've already forgiven them. It just be like, I will put her now. Imagine MTN tell you, you borrow MTN 1,000. 1,000 naira. Let's say 10 CDs for now, we be Ghanaians. You borrow MTN 10 CDs or 1,000. Then 10 to pay back now. You know if you pay back. MTN can't tell you, say, okay, buy 950 naira credits. That's 9 CDs, 50% credit. Then win a car. You go agree. You they owe them 1,000. They can't tell you say buy credit 950. Then you go win car. No be their money that they call it. You no go even see any car. Now the same thing where these people they try do. Person run from prison. They tell us say if you come back, you go forgive her. What is the need of coming back if you already they forgive her? Very unserious and incompetent leaders now we get for this country. Just like that. Just like that, they attack prisons. Una know all this attack. I don't know, una they say normal. Just in 2 months, you know how many attacks don't happen. And we get leaders. 2 good months. The first one will happen February 5th this year. Where they talk about everything where they talk about now this year. February 5th, Obo police station where they go attack and two policemen even die. February 25th, this same February 25th, this same year. Another one happened again for Abombisi police station. Another attack. This same year, March 9th, 9th, this, see, many things happen, my people. Ituboma, Ituboma, I don't know whether the pronounce are well, but not be my side. That one, another police station still happen. 20th of March, you see Alabano police station, another attack. Now, Imo. This one, April just started. We never even reach half of April. No, to say okay, the month just starts. If headquarter, fit get this kind of attack, wetin remain? No, wetin remain? Headquarters get this kind of attack. Army base get this kind of attack. The next one now, maybe it go be Aso Rock or government houses. Now there they go. And our beloved, almighty, wetin I go call her? But me una give me titles. Our president, he dey obodo ibo dey relax himself. The country is falling apart. The country is dividing into 10. Our president, they outside, they command, may they appoint new IGP. As if that is the problem. As if that one is the solution. How many IGPs will never change for this country? Wetin don't change? They there, they enjoy. People they here, they think of solution. Wow. The one who even shock me for this matter, I don't understand. They say police people even run. As police people see gunmen as they start to shoot, they say police run. They japa. What a shame. What a shame. A whole police. Can't be on duty. No, na me carry una go put for that place where una become police. When una they take the oath, say una ready to die for this country. What happened to that oath? What happened to the promise you people made to Nigeria? Una see run men, una run. But if na unarmed citizen, we no carry any weapon, una get liver, una get morale to stand, they harass them. Una mate come now, una mate. Same go on na the holo, na the same thing they hold, but una run. Thunder go soon fire devil. Make una continue. My people, no be small matter. Una see am. As the whole place all burn, if everybody don't run, they say. Because if you don't say you be prisoner, when you run from this particular prison where they talk about and they hear my voice, I bet na the message they say make I deliver. I know they here to tell you whether make you go back or make you stay. I beg, I just call deliver. I am just a messenger. You understand? So I beg now the matter be this. If you know anybody who been there, your streets, maybe now your neighbor self, I beg, give her this video. Tell her say they wait for her, say they go forgive her. I mean, people that the matter with this, so start to drop the comment for that comment section. And don't forget, very, very important, share this video, make everybody know what they happen right now. Very, very important. And if you never subscribe, what till they wait for? I do wonder how you want to miss this kind of matter. Just click on that to understand. No go kill you, no go do anything. Meanwhile, stay tuned for our next story.